do I have to try to tell you that I'm sorry for the things I've done? Ooh. When I start to try to tell you, that's when you have to tell me, hey, this kind of trouble's only just begun. Yeah, I tell myself too many times, why don't you ever learn to keep your big mouth shut? That's why it hurts so bad to hear the words that keep on falling from your mouth, falling from your mouth, falling from your mouth. Tell me why. I may be mad, I may be blind, I may be viciously unkind, but I can still read what you're thinking. And I've heard it said too many times that you'd be better off beside. Why can't you see this boat is sinking, this boat is sinking, this boat is sinking? Let's go down to the water's edge, and we can cast away those doubts. Ooh, yeah. Some things are better left unsaid, but they still turn me inside out, turning inside out, turning inside out. Tell me why. Won't you tell me why? Oh, this is the book I never read. These are the words I never said. This is the path I'll never tread, and these are the dreams I'll dream instead. This is the joy that seldom spread. These are the tears we shed. This is the fear, this is the dread, and these are the contents of my head. And these are the years of wilderness, and this is what they represent, and this is what I feel. Do you know what I feel? Do you know what I feel? 'Cause I don't think you